In Part 1, we automated individual analysis steps. Now, we are merging those isolated tasks into a continuous workflow, a single pipeline that moves data between applications automatically. This is system-based intelligence. Instead of running prompts one file at a time, Copilot works in the background to share context across Excel, Word, Outlook, and Teams. To enable this cross-app communication, your data must reside in the cloud. Copilot requires files to be staged in SharePoint or OneDrive to synthesize information across different programs. Moving to a cloud-based architecture allows you to stop reacting to month-end file drops. The system begins identifying insights the moment data is uploaded, giving you time to prepare for reviews before they even appear on your calendar. The workflow triggers the moment your monthly actuals file lands in your shared repository. You can configure a Copilot template to watch this folder and immediately flag variances that exceed an 8% threshold. The system generates a 5-line executive summary that isolates key drivers by cost center. This removes the manual work of the initial month-end review. Identifying patterns requires 12 months of OpEx data. You need to distinguish temporary spending spikes from permanent shifts in cost structure. Instruct Copilot to analyze the year for seasonality and structural shifts. Trend lines overlay your data, showing exactly where the baseline moved. This shift to time series analysis changes your reporting. You move from explaining what happened last month to providing a perspective on the full year's trajectory. Drafting executive commentary usually creates a bottleneck. It takes significant mental effort to translate Excel tables into the concise narrative required for leadership. Move your variant summary into Word. Copilot drafts a driver-oriented narrative, formatting raw data into a professional draft designed for a CFO pack. Numbers indicate where a variance occurred, but the operational reason is often documented in team communications rather than the spreadsheet. Use Copilot in Outlook to search your Q2 correspondence for vendor cost discussions. The AI can summarize the specific reasons for price increases and the tone of the stakeholder responses. In Teams, query chat history to find the top recurring cost issues raised by marketing throughout the year. This bypasses the need to manually scroll through endless old threads. By triangulating financial data with the context found in emails and chats, you arrive at a more complete explanation. You can walk into a review meeting with the data and the verified operational story already aligned. Once the commentary is written, you need to prepare the presentation. Financial slides often fail because they are overcrowded with text, making them difficult for an audience to process. Use Copilot to convert dense slides into visual stories. It replaces long paragraphs with icons and concise points, moving detailed context into speaker notes. To make this workflow repeatable, you must document the specific language that produced these results. Save your successful commands for variance detection, trends, and commentary into a centralized FP&A prompt library. This library becomes a standardized workflow. Having proven instructions ready to deploy ensures consistency and significantly reduces time spent on every future month-end close. We have now built a pipeline that covers everything from automated variance detection and email context gathering to the final presentation slides. Instead of spending your time gathering and reconciling data, you can function as a proactive finance partner who provides answers the moment the books close. If this system-based approach has helped you streamline your reporting, please subscribe for the next step in this series. In Part 3, we will introduce Power Query and automated refreshes to eliminate raw data handling and make this entire workflow hands-free.